Hello everybody. Today we're going to review this Kodiak refrigerator. It's 12 volt, has a computer inside of it, stops it from sucking your battery dry in the middle of the night while you're sleeping. Costs around $800. Doesn't seem like they're making propane ones anymore, so you're basically stuck with this 12 volt one. But it is a great refrigerator. It does the job. Let me show you the inside of it here. It's very big for what it is. It's got lots of room. Keep all your stuff there. As I said, I raise chickens, so I got a few eggs still sitting.